Alright, we would have received a call 8:05 a.m. this morning, and immediately we would have dispatched Offer 3, Stony Hill, and 2 units from York Park. Based on the number of calls that we received and the severity of the arcade, we responded with 4 units. On arrival, the fire was confined to 3 shops used as snack centers. Fighting the fire, 2 of them would have completely destroyed and 1 partially destroyed.
So any motives? We've been hearing some reports, unconfirmed of course, about persons throwing stuff to light the fire. Hear anything about
Well,
that?
we have no information pertaining to that, and our investigator will come a shorter time from now to carry out their investigation, and we will rely on their information.
So who owns the arcade? The KSAMC?
KSAMC owns the arcade, but it's occupied by 3 persons.
Alrighty, thanks so much.
Thank you.